Hey guys! Wait, let me turn this off. Okay. Hey guys. I'm playing, this game again. Bro, why can I never pronounce it? Okay. It's your level 3 shroom. Oh dang it, what was that? What was that? What was that? Okay, I'm gonna go heal. Oh yeah, I forgot it does that. I forgot those shrooms do that. I wanna try to bounce up. Ow. Boing. What is this place? I think, okay, I'm gonna reset. Okay, I think now I'm going to be at max health. Hopefully. Okay, you would have saw this in the first video. It's the wooden club. A heavy wooden club. And this is the first video. Okay. I think I'm gonna do some offline grinding so you don't see me, like, at the end of this video, hopefully you won't see me at level 3. I'm going to cut it until I'm like a higher level. Hey guys. Okay, I'm back now. Look, now, oh, wait. Okay, look. Now all of my stats are level 3. And I also got this new cool rock ability. Look at this. It does, and now I found out you can spam click them, see? You can spam click now. I didn't know you can do that. The whole time it was so hard. I think I'm like level... Yeah, I don't know what level I am. I lost. How do I get this pitchfork? I want to get the pitchfork. It looks like an OP item. Oops. Okay. Oh, I touched the mushroom. Oops. What is this? Whoa, what is this? What is this? Oh. It's the place back to the place. Oh yeah, it's the city entrance. Yeah. Arriving. And that's the shroom place. Okay. I think this is where they bought items. Oh, it's a chest. Oh, this is what that one guy was talking about. Nilgraph something. From episode 1, you know what I mean. If you know episode 1. I thought it was the same place. But it's Nilgraph. It might even kill me, man. This kick is powerful. He kicked me across the country. He kicked me out. Just super OP. I'm gonna find the original town. So cause I think there's some items you can buy there. I'm gonna cut it for now. I didn't find the place, but I found this cool little base. Look at it, See? Like, I got launched from that mushroom over there. Do you see that? Yeah, that mushroom. You see my cursor is? I got launched to there, to here, and then this mushroom bounced me back here. And then I found a chest. Yeah, let's break this chest. Let's break it. Oh, blue potions. Blue potions are over here. Bro, I wanted the red potions, so I can heal. Ew. Okay, I'm gonna go cut it so I can find the original cat. Okay, I think I found it. That took a while. I also found a lot of chests. Yeah, a humble beginning, yeah. Yeah, this is the place, Okay, I'm gonna go find a shop if there's... Okay, guys, I found a shop. What happened to the shop? Okay, wooden club. Wooden sword, pitchfork. Buy one. This, I think this is armor. Yeah, I can't buy it anymore. Okay. Now let me find pitchfork. There. I think I bought armor too. But where is it? Wait, was that stuff even armor? Was it? I need to go back to check. Oh, I could buy this. Okay. Yes, my first piece of armor. Okay, I'm gonna go grind for the next piece of armor. I'm gonna grind this on camera because you guys just kept seeing time cuts, and that's all you guys see. So I'm gonna farm on camera. I'll cut this. Okay, and a giant shroom has just been spotted. Let's go find it. I wanna kill the giant shroom. What's a mushroom dagger? Follow the trail so I don't get lost. I keep getting more red. I think I'm getting near. Okay, over here it's getting red. Over here is red, so I think somewhere around here, it's going red. There's a giant shroom. Okay, I think I just grind. Oh, this is so much better. Whoa, this is OP. I'm barely taking any damage now, too. Oh, dang. Shoot. This thing is still pretty hard to aim, I've heard. But it's still super OP. Okay, I just gotta shoot rocks. Rocks beat mushroom. Hey, I'm pretty sure I can upgrade. I can get a new thing, a new ability. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Okay, let me go check. Adventure. Magic missile, regeneration. Rock. Yeah, I think this would be smarter. Oh, we move that right there. And then I think magic missile. And then I think I will replace magic missile. I'll replace rock with magic missile. Ah, I see what this does now. Like earlier, I thought this did nothing, but that's the reason I can double slash. And that's the reason I'm hitting super fast. Oh, okay, let me just be my rock. Two. Oh, that's very unique. Rock. Okay, I think that rock went to outer space. Okay, this. Oh, I keep missing one. Rock. I think let me get magic missile. I'm just gonna spam that and I'm just gonna yeah, I think yeah, you'll see my loadout when I get magic missile. Shoot. Oh no. Oh, this is so hard to aim. Sometimes it's like too low, sometimes it's like way too high. Oh shoot. Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Why did I do that? Okay. No, don't steal them! Ah, okay. Oh, I leveled up. Okay, I think this time I'm going to do it on... Did I get any adventure skills? No, I didn't. Get back. I think I will do it on... Yeah, intelligence. It's cause I'm always running out of that. And then I think I'll do strength. And then defense. Wait. What was intelligence MP? Was it? Hopefully it was. It's because I want more MP. Earlier I was such a noob, and I'm still a noob. Okay, I gotta find a chest so I can get the helmet. So I forgot to say cut. Okay, I'm cutting it now. I'll tell you when I get the boots, and then when I get the boots, I think I'll end. Okay, I wasn't able to get the boots, but I think I'm gonna end it now. Bye bye.